So there's this cool new software called Theory Garden that allows you to brainstorm your ideas on screen so that you can see how all your ideas relate to each other, among other things. So if I wanted to create a theory about Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, all I'd have to do is start typing. For example, in Harry Potter 6, one of the main ideas is that the more knowledge Harry gets about Voldemort, the more likely he is to succeed over Voldemort. To relate these ideas, all I have to do is click on one and drag my mouse to the other. An arrow pops up, and then I can determine if this is a negative relationship or a positive relationship. In this case, the more Harry knows about Voldemort, the more likely he is to succeed over him. Now, Harry gets most of his knowledge about Voldemort from Dumbledore. The more likely Harry is to succeed, the less Dumbledore really needs to help. But Harry's likelihood of success is greatly influenced by Voldemort's power and influence. The more power and influence Voldemort has, the more Dumbledore needs to help. Now, the more knowledge Harry gets about Voldemort, the more Horcruxes he can find and destroy. Which comes into play at the end of the book and also in Book 7. The more Horcruxes Harry finds and destroys, the less power and influence Voldemort has. Lastly, the Order of the Phoenix gets involved as Voldemort's power and influence increases. The more involved they are, the less power and influence he has. But the more power and influence he has, the more involved they get. And there you have it. We've just created a theory of all the driving forces, or at least some of the key driving forces, in the great plot of Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince.